Hey y'all, it's Tiffany. I'm coming back at you with another video. So today my hair needs to be washed. Today is actually wash day, but I wanted to show you a few different styles that you can do to your hair, because you know when your hair is dirty it looks the best. So I got a few different styles that I like to do towards the end of the week when my hair is frizzy, when it's not looking like how I want it to be, if my curls aren't as juicy as I want, or if my hair is just dry, or heck, if I don't feel like touching it. These are some styles that I would do to my hair. So if you want to see those styles, then just keep on watching. Alright, so we're going to use as minimal as products as we can, because remember, your hair is dirty, your hair is frizzy. We don't need to be using all of that stuff, okay? This is just for us to get to work, go where we need to go out, come back home, take it out, and you need to get ready to be washing your hair soon in a few days. So I'll be using this Main Choice Crystal Orchid Bio Infused Styling Gel. This is like a really light hold, or you can use Eco Styler Gel, one of the two. I have both of them. I got my handy dandy pick. I got me some bobby pins. They didn't have black at the store at the Dollar Tree when I went today, so I got gold. I got me some clips. Got me a little bit of oil. And I have me my little edge brush with the comb on the end. I'm gonna do this first. One style that I do is I'm gonna put a little bit of gel on my edges, not a whole lot. Let's do that. Okay, so I have this much left out. Might make it a little easier. And this is just gel, I'm not using a lot. So you can do one of the two things. You can flat twist it like this. And then what I'm going to do is pin it. Pin it right on my little ear. I usually. And I'm going to take this clip out. This is style one. Now we'll do something the same. So I'm still not touching my part. I don't want to touch my part. So what I'm going to do is section, just probably about to my ear on each side. So I have that I'm sectioning. Let me push this to the back. And I'm going to take this here. Okay, got about that much. And let's just clip that out the way. And make sure you have the back clipped down like this. Clip the back down like this, because once I twist this in the front, I'm going to put my bobby pin here, and I'm going to put one here. Now, if you really wanted to, you could really just leave it like this. No, that's if you wanted to. So, now I'm going to do the other side. here's another quick and easy style. And like I said, what you could do with your little edge brush is gel it down. This is probably about the most
gellage I'm gonna do. Yes, I said gellage.
So sometimes what I like to do, since it'll be wet from the gel, is I'll take a scarf and just tie it down right here. Take it off when I'm about to get out the car. Play off of this right here. So the next style we'll do is almost the same as this. So you separate your hair right down the middle. So you got your two parts. Now, typically what I would do is bring this further down. So I'll show you both ways. Now, since I have this out in the back, all I'm going to do with this style is just take the back and pull it up. So I don't have no hair on my neck, no nothing. My hair is pulled back in the front. My hair is pulled up in the back. You still see my little curls. And then what you also can do is to not make the back so big, you can take the front of your hair down some. The back. All right, so let's take this out and let's work on another side. So let's not forget that we can always do the classic headband. One headbands, two headbands, doesn't matter. If you don't have any headbands, pull your hair back, put bobby pin on it. Sometimes if the front of my hair still is acting crazy, I'll take it and then still pin it like that and flip my hair over it. Or sometimes what I've done is I'll put my my headband on and then I'll just twist my hair. It up, and if this is too puffy or bulky, just pin it down. I have it pinned up in the back. All I have on my hair is a headband and like 3 or 4 bobby pins. Bam. And then of course you could gel your edges down, put your scarf on, take it off when you go. If we are going to do a puff, usually if I'm going this route, this is the point of no return. Once I pull my hair up in a puff, for that one day, that's it. It has to stay like that, unless I'm about to wash my hair. So let's spray it. And I usually put some type of curling cream. You put a little bit of oil in it. Gel it. I'll brush this up in the back. I really just try to brush the perimeter. I use a headband, one headband. So I do this 1 or 2 ways. I take this headband, put it on, stretch it, pull it all the way up, and then I put a bobby pin to hold it in place. Or I take a headband and I'll cut it. There's a knot right here. So I'll cut it, wrap it around my hair and pull it up to where I want it, and I'll tie it again. But for this case, I'm going to use one headband. So, or you could use pantyhose. I think some people use a shoelace. So, about doing it this way because my hair will get like this. All I'm gonna do is just roll it up. Yep, just like that. I try to do the back first because a lot of times the front will roll up on its own. And depending on how I'm feeling, you see where it is now. So then I'll just style accordingly. Put it in and flip it to the back. And then right now, the puff. We'll do a bun. And this is another quick style. If you like what you saw today, let's go ahead and let's get a chat going in the comment section. Let me know, what do you normally do to your hair during towards the end of the week? Do you just wash it? Do you just put a hat on it? I'll tell you right now, the day that you think your hair looks raggedy and ratchet is the day that somebody thought that looked bomb.com. Y'all have a blessed day.